how high up we are. That's crazy. Whoa, it's a long way down. I know. Can you believe it though? I feel like we're on top of the world, literally. Look at all that. All those buildings. I see a swamp down there. I see the river. Holy cow. Hey, I can see my house from here. Wait, what? Just kidding. Fabio. Golly, and look down there. There's a tennis court down there. That's neat, a tennis court on top of a building. Humans can come up with some creative things, if not sometimes dangerous things. Yeah. But look at that beautiful clear sky. Not a cloud to be seen. We have Ezio to thank for that. You know, him and his cloud powers. Yeah, that's true. Glad he's not with us right now, though. If he were here right now, he'd probably faint. You know it. Yeah. What a view. It really does feel like you're on top of the world.